So the problem is you have to write this sequence of four numbers, much of pretty big ones, in increasing order. Okay, so the numbers are 12 to the power 48, 32 to the power 32, 54 to the power 18, 108 to the power 12. Let me check again. 12 to the power 48, 32 to the power 32, 54 to the power 18, and 108 to the power 12.
Hello, guys. Welcome to Cheenta School of Statistics and Data Science. We are a team of extremely passionate teachers, researchers, and statisticians from the top universities of India and USA. Our mission is to help you curve your career in statistics, data science, and machine learning. To book a trial class for your preparation courses of IITM MS, ISIM Stat, and CMI MSC Data Science, check out the first link in the description below. If you're enjoying the video, show some love by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. We welcome you again to this passionate community of budding statisticians and data scientists. Let's enjoy the rest of the video. Stay tuned and stay blessed.
So if you do, you will find that 108 to the power 12 divided by 54 to the power 18, which is in fact like C by D. You'll find that this is 2 to the power 24 times 2 to the power 36 divided by 2 to the power 18 times 2 to the power 54. And this is equals to 2 to the power 6 by 2 to the power 18. And clearly this is less than 1. From here you can say that, is it? I think this is, sorry, something. This is D and this is C. From here you'll get C is greater than D. So from from the first page you have A is greater than B. From here you have C is greater than D. Now you need to find a relation between B and C so that you can arrange it in the proper order. For that, what you can do is try to find 32 to the power 32 divided by 54 to the power 18. Okay, this is 2 to the power 160 divided by 2 to the power 18 times 3 to the power 54, which is so if you subtract 18 from 54, it will be something around 2 to the power 142 divided by 3 to the power 54. And clearly, I mean, it's clear, but if you want to proceed more steps, what you can do is take 2 square times 71 divided by 3 to the power 54. This is 4 to the power 71 by 3 to the power 54. Clearly 4 is greater than 3, 71 is greater than 54. So the numerator is, for obvious reasons, greater than 3 to the power 54, the denominator. So this is greater than 1. This was, what was this? I think this was B by C. So from here you can say B is greater than C. So from here you can say B is greater than C. So if you arrange them in the proper order, you'll find that this is in the increasing order. So the answer will be something like A is greater than B, greater than C, greater than D. This is how you need to proceed these kind of problems, the master way. So for example, if you see a conflict of interest in, say, for example, say, yeah, so say this example, say 2 to the power 142 or 3 to the power 54. The conflict of interest arises because no doubt 2 is less than 3, but 142 is larger than 54. How will you go about it? That's the problem. In that case, try to find a power of 2 which is slightly larger than 3. So in the power of 2 which I will be considering will be 2 squared, which is 4. 4 is slightly larger than 3. Now you have in a form from where you can say 4 is greater than 3 and 71 is greater than 54. Okay. In my previous slide, you might see that a similar thing was done here, this part. Okay. 3 is greater than 2, no doubt. But then 48 is less than 64. How will you find which one is larger? For that, what you can do is find 2 squared. You can do that. You can do like 2 squared to the power 32. Now, let's see what happens. So you can write, that's another way of thinking about it. What you can do is, so let me create some space here. Uh, 30 per 48, and what I will do is squared, which is 4 to the power 32. So see, this is again a bit conflicting. No doubt 4 is larger than 3, but then 32 is smaller than 48. So this will not give you an answer you desire. Okay, so this is not helpful. So the next step you can do is try to raise a power of 3 and try to raise a power of 2 in such a way that one of the numbers after raising it is larger than the other by a little amount. So from here you can use the concept 3 squared, which is 9, is greater than 2 cubed, which is 8. Now if you do 3 squared, this will be 24. If you do 2 cubed, this will be 21 times 2. Okay. Now you have in the form. You have 9 raised 24 and you have 8 raised 21. 9 is greater than 8, 24 is greater than 21. So this is clearly larger than 1. So this is what you need to do. This is all. Okay. This is how you can think about solving these kind of problems. Any doubts?